able to check it out kung there will be some possible buildings or houses nearby that would have been affected by these areas. And on the riverside, we are able to check naman if there's some blockages on the river that would cause some possible near future disaster. Sa information na nakukuha natin using this Nokia Saving Lives solution, we're able to get pictures and videos, especially from the drone. So, meron tayong HD camera and thermal camera na nakaka-capture during the night. And aside from that, we have this feature na kung saan we are able to detect real-time people on the video.
Nokia Saving Lives solution will help us in the search and rescue operations and looking for alternative routes, especially the roads that we just covered.
One of the projects that we provided a grant to through the Disaster Response Innovation Fund at GSMA, and really aims to focus on and support projects that have a mobile component and the ability to create impact in a humanitarian or in a disaster type setting. This project was selected because we found it was a really strong collaboration between a technology vendor, a mobile network operator and the humanitarian sector.
Nagpapasalamat din kami nagkaroon ng ganitong program. Kung ano man yung mangyari, pwede natin itap up ang Philippine Red Cross and even this program with the help of Smart and Nokia na makatulong din during rescue operation.